All right, you guys, today we have a 2018 Volkswagen Atlas again, and we are actually taking the door panel off because we have a busted mirror and we have a new one to fully replace it. So now we gotta get this door off. So to get the door panel off, you're gonna look for two different locations. Right between this door handle, you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver to pop this open. There's gonna be a bolt down there. And then underneath the door panel, you're gonna see right here another bolt that you can twist to basically unlock it, so then you can pull this out and then clip everything else around it to get that door off. So we're gonna go ahead and take those two screws out and gonna get this door panel off. All right, so we're gonna start down here. Like I said, flathead screwdriver. You can pry that thing out. Reach in, take that cover off. And there's our hex bolt there. We gotta get our hexes and unscrew that. All right, we got that bolt out. Now let's go down here to the bottom and we're gonna use our needle nose pliers we actually already twisted that in the correct position, so now we can go ahead and pry this thing off. All right, so we just used a flathead screwdriver and we just pried all the way around the sides here. So now you can see that it's just these little caps in there. So we just pried that off and got it right out. That's what you want to do around the whole door until you can snap the whole door off, and then we'll be good. All right, once you have all that snapped off, now you can just lift and pull, and then the door will come right off. So there you guys have it. That's how you take off a 2018 Door Atlas.